Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. Okay, welcome back to the maths class. Today, let us start our studies. In previous class, we studied word problems now. 3 were finished. Okay, before today's class starts, let me remind you some things to find out addition. Okay, see, these are the keywords for addition. Keywords. All together, both, in all, total, sum of. If you see these words in the question, you can understand that is word problem, that is addition. Understood? In word problems, there will be one of these words. So you check if there is this word in that sentence, you can understand that is addition. Understood? Once again, see, all together, both, in all, total, sum of. Okay, fourth question let us study. You have to do your work at home. Yesterday I gave you some work given in the textbook. Photograph I sent, page number 41, 42. Did you see that? After doing, you check this work. If it is correct, okay, it's okay. You don't want to copy from the textbook. If you do, that is better. Okay. If you don't know, you can copy from the textbook. Now, 3 were finished. Fourth one. In a train, there are 377 passengers. In a train, there are 377 passengers. In a train, there are 377 passengers. 290 more passengers boarded the train. See, this is the question. In a train, there are 377 passengers. 219 more passengers boarded the train. How many passengers are there in the train now? Solution. After writing the question, skip one line, then write solution. Okay. So, from the first sentence, we can make one step. See, in a train there are 377 passengers. This one. There are 377 passengers. You have to write number of passengers. See here, how many is there? How many means that is addition. Okay, that also you keep in your mind. Here, one step we can make this from this part. 377 passengers. That you write number of passengers. Number of how many? 377. Then 219 more passengers boarded the train. So number of passengers boarded. Equal here 219. Then how many passengers are there in the train now? That we have to find out. Now how many are there inside? Okay. Number of passengers in the train now. Equal. Two numbers are given in the question. 377, 290. That you do in the margin. 377 plus 290. Here ones, tens, 100. Okay. Then underline 9 plus 7, 16. 1 is remainder. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. Answer 596. Okay? Got it? Then next question. Number 5. A garment company made when you write the question, you can see the textbook, okay? So it's on Tuesday. See, in all. In all means plus. Okay. A garment company made 153 shirts on Monday, 186 shirts on Tuesday, and 207 shirts on Wednesday. How many shirts were made in all? Okay. Here is the number 153 shirts on Monday. So, number of shirts made on Monday. Solution. How many? 153. Then Number of shirts made on Tuesday. One hundred 86. Then number of shirts made on Wednesday. Equal 207. Then total number of shirts made in all. Total number of shirts. Equal, add these three numbers in the margin. 153, 186, 207. Okay, try to ones, tens, 100. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 remainder. 8 plus 5, 13. Plus 1, 14. 0, no, that is 14. 1 remainder. 1, 2, plus 2, 4. Remainder, 5. Answer, 546. Okay, total number of shirts made in all equal 546. Next, number 6. A 3 days fete was organized by a school. A 3 days fete was organized by a school. Fete means no public function. Here it is. Fete means public function. Okay. On day one means first day, 253 people visited. On day 2, 295 people visited. Day 2 means second day. And day 3, that is third day, 304 people visited. Okay. We have to find out how many people in all visited the faith. How many total? How many people were there? So, where is the first number? Here. On day 1, 253 people visited. So, we have to find out number of people visited on day 1. Solution. Day 1. Number of people visited on day 1. How many people? 253. On day 2, number of people visited on day 2. Day 2, that is 295. 295. Then number of people visited on third day. On day 3. How many? 304. Add together. Here also the question is in all. In all means total. So total number of how many people in all visited the faith. Total number of people visited. Equal 253, 295, 304. Add together 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1 remainder, 9 plus 5, 14, plus 1, 15, 1 remainder, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 852 people visited total. Okay. Okay. Now sixth question. No, seventh question. In a library, there are 157 English books, and 105 Hindi books. One hundred 57 English books, 292 maths books. 292 maths books. 137 science books. And 105 Hindi books. How many books are there in all? How many books are there in all? So there is also in all. See, in all. Okay. So almost all the question is having in all. So we have to find out solution. In a library, there are 157 English books and 292 maths books, 137 science books and 105 Hindi books. How many books are there in all? Okay. Solution, easily you can find out solution, this one, no? First number, 157 English books. From there you can make one step, number of English books. One hundred 57. Number of maths books. How many maths books? 292. 292. Then number of science books. How many science books? 137. Then how many Hindi books? Number of Hindi books. Equal 105. Total number of books equal altogether 157, 292, 137, 105. 7 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21. 2 remainder. Then 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 3, 19. 1 remainder. 1, 2 plus 3, 4, 5, remainder 6. Okay. 691. Okay, this is the answer. Next, number 8. Number 8. On a On a school's annual day, there were 563 parents. Parents, 218 children, and 103 teachers. How many people were there in all? See, here also in on. Okay? So you have to find the solution. On a school's annual day, there were 563 parents, 218 children, and 103 teachers. How many people were there in all? So, number of parents. Solution. Number of parents 563. Then number of children. Number of children 218. Number of teachers. Number of teachers 103. Add together 563, 218, 103. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14, 1 remainder, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Total, how many people were there? No. Total number of people. Equal 884. Okay. Then ninth one. Ninth one. Mona had 163 toffees. Mabel had 215 toffees and Seisha had 137 toffees. How many toffees were there in all? I'll give you solution. You copy the question from the textbook, okay? Don't forget, ninth question, you copy from the textbook. Solution only I am giving on the board. Now, number of toffees Mona had. Number of toffees Mona had. How many? 163. Number of toffees Mabel had. What? 215. 215. Then number of toffees Seisha had. 137. How many toffees were in all? Total number of toffees. Equal, add together 163, 215, 137. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 7, 15. One remainder. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. One remainder. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 515. Okay, got it? Next one, that is number 9. Okay, that is number 9. Then 10. Solution. That also copy the question from the textbook. Okay. There are 169 flowers in a garden. The gardener planted 76 more flowers. How many flowers are now in the garden? There are 169 flowers in the garden. Number of flowers in the garden. How many? 169. 169. Then number of flowers planted by the gardener. Equal 76. Okay. How many flowers are now in the garden? Total number of flowers. Now equal 169 plus 76. 9 plus 6, 15. One remainder. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14. One remainder. 1 plus 1, 2. Here it is 245. 45. Okay. 245. So questions are over. Word problems. Now mental ability is there. I will give you the answer. If you read the textbook, you can get the answer, everything. First one, mental ability. Mental ability, number 1. The numbers to be added are called addends. The numbers to be added are called addends. Number 2. The result obtained after addition is called the sum. Number 3. The sum of the largest 3-digit number. What is the largest 3-digit number? 999. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Sum means plus. Sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. smallest 3-digit number is 100. Sum means you should add 9 plus 1, 10. So this will be answer 1099. Okay. Then fourth one, first column. This is ulta mother. Before equal and after equal. Okay. First number is 286 before equal, after equal 369. So 369 you can put in the first column. 369. Next, first number you can put in the last column. 286. Understood? Then number is wrong number. First one add, second one sum, third one 1099. Then fourth one correct. Then fifth one, here it is. Fifth one, put a 0 in the column. Then sixth one, fourth one, here it is. Mistake. Fourth one is 118. Fourth one. Fifth one 0. Sixth one 369, 286. Seventh one 560 is there. Then add 1. 60 plus 1, 61. 561. Seventh one. Eighth one, 745. Number 8, 745. Number 9, 425. Number 10, that is successor. Number 10, 1000. Okay. Number 11, 100. Number 12, 256. These are the answers in page number 44. Page number 44. Okay. Page number 44. The mental ability is written. Page number 44. Okay. Then this one, find out the answer. Okay. Then here now, this method, here secret message code. Here solve the secret message below by writing correct letters in the box. The first one is done for you. Some letters are given: A, E, H, I, K, L, M, S, T. Here some numbers also is given. Okay. 378, 770. So first of all I will show you A, then E, H, I, L, M, S, T. Here numbers are given 378, 770, 579. Here I 581, L 611, M 476, S 735, 860. Okay, all these numbers are against the letters. Okay, see the letters above. First question I will show you. First one is done there. Second one I will show. 0, tens, 100. Yeah, not this is not 0. Ones, tens, 100. Then here 154, 138. Eight plus 3, 12. 1 remainder. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Then here 1 plus 1, 2. We got the answer 292 now. Find out where is 292. 292 is not there. L H I K is not there. A E H I K. Okay. Then L is there in the middle. Here this L. L is there. 292. Okay. L is there. M is also there. You have to write. See here, yeah, 292. Same number we got now. 292. 292 is here. So you have to write this letter. This letter you write in this column. When you add this number, you find out the number is here. Okay, we got this number 200, same 292. So you take this letter, write L in the column. Understood? So find out like that everything. After getting all these letters, you will get one sentence. The code here. You have to write the code. Understood how to find out? You add all these numbers, then circle that number. What is the letter above? That letter you write in this column. Like that everything you find out. Okay. Everything you do very well. Today we are finishing our class. Bye.